Here's a quick little room tour. So this is the bathroom. Got the toilet, got the shower. Then when we head out through these doors, we have my room. It's pretty good. I like this hotel. Small, but it'll work. It's like a ghost town right now. I'm gonna get my day started at 7 a.m. on a Sunday. When I was coming back last night, everyone was lit. So I'm sure they'll be sleeping until 12. And it's pretty nice out. So we're gonna check out some temples and see what's up. Hey, how's it going? This is me popping in from the future, post-Japan and post-production. You'll notice as I continue posting these vlogs, I don't really talk much, especially when I'm inside temples or if I'm inside like restaurants with a lot of people. At this point in time, I wasn't really comfortable with filming myself in public, but also, mind you, these temples and shrines might be, good tourist attractions, but they are real temples and shrines that people pray at. So I try to, respect their privacy, and I don't want to really disturb them when they're doing their actual prayers. Let's get back to it. We found a breakfast spot. It's like a beef burger spot, and we're also going to try natto. So our options are limited because it's like 8:30 in the morning, but let's see how this goes. All right, here's our beef bowl breakfast. We got beef, got rice, got some soup, and this is the infamous natto, which is fermented soybean. We're gonna try the natto. Itadakimasu. It's not bad. Definitely not my favorite thing, but I had to try it. All right, just finished our breakfast. Tried the natto. Wasn't the greatest thing, but supposedly it's really good for you. And my stomach wasn't feeling that great after eating like crap the past 2 days. So I guess I needed the probiotics of that. Now we're going to walk around a little bit, see if we can find some coffee or something. Because my breath is probably rancid after eating that, to be honest.
Think of all the people, those who barely touch the surface. Think of all the people who'll never know what love is. Turn my skin to golden, skies fall.
We are about to get some Chinese street food. Got a Chinese red bean donut here. Itadakimasu. Oh, so hot. Here's what it looks like inside. Here, I have a Chinese crepe. This thing's a monster. Let's give it a shot. It has Taiwanese pork, cheese, lettuce, wrapped in egg. That's pretty good. Sausages taste nice. Cheese, it's crunchy. It's got some cracker in there.
Baby, pay me to hook. Baby, pay me to hook. I make love. Baby, pay me to hook. Baby, just pay me to hook.